distinguished stakeholders and friends of FARA. I am thrilled to introduce the upcoming 9th Africa Agriculture Science Week. This landmark edition marks a journey that began 24 years ago with our first Science Week in Maputo, Mozambique. The 9th edition will be held in Abuja, Nigeria from the 27th to the 30th of July 2026. The theme of this event is Innovations and Partnerships for Resilient and Sustainable Agri-Food Systems in Africa. At this event, conversations and commitments will focus on the strategies we must scale up and the bold shifts we must make to safeguard the continent's food systems against increasingly unpredictable shocks. The activities of the 9th Africa Agriculture Science Week are structured around 4 mutually reinforcing sub-themes. The first sub-theme is on emerging technologies and innovations. The second sub-theme is on climate-resilient agri-food systems, recognizing Africa's acute vulnerability to climate change and its impact on food security. We have dedicated a sub-theme to climate resilience. The third sub-theme, titled Nutrition, Health, and Urban Food Systems, examines the vital intersection of agriculture, food safety, and public health. The fourth sub-theme addresses the critical enablers of innovation-driven food system transformation, specifically focusing on policy, finance, institutional frameworks, and capacity building. The event will feature plenary sessions, including a high-level roundtable of thought leaders and policymakers. It will include anchor parallel sessions for each theme and focused meetings. It will also feature an exhibition for showcasing impactful innovations. The final day of the event is dedicated to the 10th FARA General Assembly, a milestone event featuring the announcement of the incoming FARA chairperson for the next 3 years. The Africa Agriculture Science Week promises 4 inspiring days of learning and networking as we collaborate to build the resilient agri-food system Africa needs. On behalf of FARA, the federal government of Nigeria, and our co-organizing partners, I warmly invite all actors across the agricultural development landscape to join us in Abuja from the 27th to 30th July 2026. Join us. Let's connect and collaborate to build resilient, sustainable, and innovative agri-food systems for Africa.